Dear world, in this video we will discuss about the introduction of statistics, where we will discuss definition, different types of data and central tendency. Before starting the videos, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that at the end of the video part 1 you will be able to answer the quiz question correctly, and end of part 2 you will be able to submit homework in our website. In contact page, upload your homework button. The website is thaqgeo.com. The link of our website has been given in the description drop down menu. Thanks to all for subscribing our channel and watching the other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Here the part 2, introduction of statistics. Measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode and partition values, calculation and computation. Mean. Mean is the average value of all homogeneous distribution. Remember that, homogeneous distribution. In other words, mean is the sum of all measurement divided by the number of observation in the data set. Types of mean: arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Calculation for arithmetic mean. For ungrouped data, the formula is summation of x divided by n, where x is equal to variables, n is equal to number of total observation, and summation of x is equal to sum of the total variables. Here mean is equal to summation of x by n is equal to 944 divided by 19, as the 19 data are here. So the values of mean is 49.68. In case of group data, there are two processes. One is long process, that is formula summation of fx by n, where x is equal to variables, n is equal to number of total observation. Here is an example. Class boundary, mid value, that is x, frequency small f, frequency time of mid value, that is multiplication of x into f. Here the mean is equal to summation of fx, that is 2890 divided by n, that is total number of frequency 60. So the mean is equal to 48.16. For group data, short process or coding process or assume mean process, formula is mean is equal to m dash plus summation of fx dash by n into I, where m dash is equal to mid value of the score, that is assume mean. Small f is equal to frequency, x dash is equal to difference of values from assume mean, n is equal to number of total observation, I is equal to class interval. Example as follows. Class boundary here, frequency x and fx. So total of f, that is frequency, is 60, and summation of fx, here we must consider the sign minus and plus. Summation of fx is equal to 19. So the total values of mean is equal to 45, that is the assumed mean, as we consider the 0 in the 40 to 50 class boundary. Here the mid value is 45. 40 to 50, here mid value is 45. Frequency in this class is 11, and we consider here 0, and in the upper side we -1, -2, -3, -4, and in the lower side +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. In this way we get the total of fx dash is equal to 19, and putting the values of 19 in fx dash, we get the mean value 48.166. Here the median value that separate the higher half from the lower half of a data set. The median and the mode are the only measure for central tendency that can be used for ordinal data, in which values are ranked relatively to each other but are not measured absolutely for ungrouped data. In case of unpaired data, step 1, arrange the data ascending or descending order. Step 2, apply the formula and find the place. xm is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Here xm equal to given data, number of data is 19. So 19 plus 1 is divided by 2, that is 10th place. Here the red sign indicate the 10th place. So median is 54. In case of paired data, step 1, in the same way arrange the data ascending or descending order, then apply the formula by find the place. Here the data set number of data is equal to 20, so 20 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 10.5. So 10, the place 10 and 11, in between the 10 and 11 we calculate the 54 and 68 divided by 2. So 61 is the median values. We can consider here is the median values 61. Show my cursor, please attend here. Here the median values 61. For group data, median, the formula is L plus n by 2 minus FB by Fm into I, where is L is equal to lower boundary of median classes, n is equal to total frequency, FB is equal to cumulative frequency up to the lower boundary of the median classes, Fm is equal to frequency of the median classes, I is equal to class interval. Here the class boundary and frequency, cumulative frequency. Here the total data is 60, so median is 60 divided by 2, that is 30. 30 fall in this group, so this is the median class. Here the median class present 40 to 50. So the lower boundary of the median class is 40. Frequency of this class, that is Fm, is 11. Cumulative frequency up to the lower boundary of the median classes, that is FB, is equal to 23. And here n by 2, that is 60 by 2, is equal to 30. So the value is 46.36. In this way we can calculate the median. Graphical representation of median in frequency histogram, we can represent the median in this manner. 40 to 50s, in the range 40 to 50s, and here the lower boundary and upper boundary, and here lower boundary and upper boundary join this line, and extend this line towards the x-axis, and the values in x-axis will be the median values. In the ogive, lower and less than type and more than type coincide this point and extend this line towards the x-axis, and this will be the median. Here is the mode. Mode is the maximum frequency of observation in a set of data. For ungrouped data, here some ungrouped data, the frequency of 95, you can see here 95, 95, 95, 95, 95, 95. The frequency of 95 is much better than other, so here mode is 95. For group data, this is the formula L plus D1 divided by D1 plus D2 into I. L is equal to lower boundary of modal classes, D1 difference of frequencies between modal and premodal classes, D2 difference of frequency between modal and postmodal classes, I is equal to class interval. Next, here the class boundary and modal classes maximum frequency in these classes 40 to 50, so it is the modal classes. If there are two maximum frequencies, so then it will be the bimodal. Here the monomodal, so in this 40 and 50 group class boundary we can see the 11 frequencies, it is the modal classes. By putting the values on the equation, L, that is lower boundary of the modal classes 40, and D1, that is modal and premodal classes frequencies difference, that is 11 minus 9, and D2 is equal to 11 plus minus 8 modal and postmodal classes, and in this way you can get the values 44. Here 44 is the mode value. Partition values, quartile Q, decile D and percentile P are the partition values of any distribution. Quartile can be calculated up to 3, there Q1, Q2, Q3. Decile can be calculated up to 9, and there D1, D2, and in this way D9. Percentile can be calculated in up to 99, there P1, P2, and in this way P99. The formula of quartiles, here L plus n by 4 minus small f divided by capital F into I. Here consider the small and capital F. In this way, formula of decile L plus n by 10 minus f by capital F into I, and formula percentile L plus n by 100 minus f by capital F into I. The symbols are L is equal to lower boundary of quartile classes, decile classes or percentile classes. F, small f, cumulative frequency up to the quartile, decile or percentile classes. Capital F, absolute frequency of that classes, that is the modal class, that particular quartile class or decile class or percentile class. N, number of total frequency. I is class interval, and in this way we can calculate from this table for quartile. Q1, in case of Q1, that is 1 into n by 40, that is 1 into n by 4, that is 60 by 4 is equal to 15. In this case 15 may be considered as, in case of cumulative frequency, 15 falls in these classes, that is 30 to 40. So lower boundary of the Q1 class is 30, and up to the lower boundary cumulative frequency up to the lower boundary of cumulative quartile 1 classes, that is 14. Here you can see the 14. So here 15 minus 14 divided by 9. 9 is the absolute frequency of these classes, and I is interval. In this way we can get the Q1 values, that is 31.11. In the same way calculate Q2 is equal to 46.36364, Q3 for 64.28, and for decile in the same way we can calculate the decile value D1, that is 60 into 1 by 10, that is 6 fall in the cumulative frequency group here, that is 10 to 20 class boundary. So the lower boundary of D1 is 10 here, and the cumulative frequency up to the lower boundary of the median decile classes here 2. So we consider the figure 2 here, and absolute frequency of D1 classes is 5. So here is 5, and I is the class interval 10. In this way we can compute the D1 value is 18. In the same way calculate D2, D3, D9, and also you can choice. In percentile here P12 that is 12 into n by 10, 12 into n is 60, that is 720 by 100, that is 7.2. 7.2 is is in the group of 20 to 30 class boundary groups. So the lower boundary is 20 here. In this way, just as before I say quartiles and decile calculation, you can calculate the percentile values in the same manner. In the same way calculate P25, P33, P650, P75, P85 and more. Remember that the value of median, that is Q2, Q5, D5, P50 is same. Graphical representation of partition values. Here the partition values of cumulative frequency in less than curve. Here the P12 is 20.86 in this way. Here the P12 value 7.2 in cumulative frequency. Here in x-axis the values represent the P12 value. In Q1 that is 60 into 1 by 4, that is 15. Here the 15, and in x-axis you can get the values of Q1, that is 31.11. In the same manner median P50 Q2 is 46.34. Q3 that is 3 into n by 4 in case of Q3 45. In case of P75 that also will be 45 in cumulative frequency. So the value of Q3 and P75 in x-axis is 64.28. You can draw in this manner to show the partition values on cumulative frequency curve less than type. Now come to assignment for homework. Calculate and draw as directed and upload as soon as possible, at least within 3 days of publication of this video, in homework submission button in our website theqgeo.com. Question 1. Tabulate the following data into 10 equal classes and calculate the mean, median and mode of the data set. In case of mean, you should calculate in both process, long process and coding process or short process. Q2. Draw ogive and histogram with suitable scale in millimeter graph paper for checking your median values. And question 3. Calculate Q3, D79 and P82 of the data set and plot it on the less than type of cumulative frequency curve. The data set here, ungrouped raw data, you can see the data and group T's first, then calculate the central tendency, then calculate the partition values, then proceed for drawing. Okay, thank you. You must submit this within the stipulated time. The link has been given in the drop down menu of description, or you can visit directly the website theqgeo.com and then contact page, then submit your homework button. Thank you. Do minutely to avoid the wrong response. Thank you again.